I am at Walmart and I'm here to do some Walmart Ibotta deals. I don't know what the Weekend Warrior is. I'm actually kind of early. I am kid free and that is the way to be. But I don't know what I'm going to get for Weekend Warrior. If it's 15 rebates, I don't even think I'll even hit 15 rebates. There's not a lot of great deals, a lot of repeaters, but I'm here to share with you guys some deals. Thank you for giving me feedback for my last week's video. I did a TikTok version on Thursday. A lot of you guys did not like it. I got a lot of hate for it. And then I went to Walmart the next day, a different Walmart, and did some deals, and I got more positive reviews on that. So that's what I'm just going to do. I just try new things just to see what's easier for me, what's easier for you. But I'll just continue doing my old way like I did like 5-6 years ago. So let's go out and go shopping, get some deals, and I will share with you guys everything that I got later on. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys everything that I got at Walmart. I was kid free today, so it was super awesome, but I'm here to share with you guys my Moneymaker haul that I got at Walmart. So my store is like remodeling right now. They're moving everything around, stuff's all over the place, so it's just like, it's crazy, but I'm happy to see with what they got. So I ended up getting the VELVEETA shells and cheese and the deluxe KRAFT macaroni and cheese. These were $3.43. You want to buy these together, you would pay $6.86. But there's an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents off of this one and 75 cents off of this one with Ibotta. And then there is a checkout 51 where you get $1 off of 2 rebate when you purchase the both of these. So it ends up becoming $4.36 or $2.18 for the both of these. But I had a 10-cent any pasta. If this wasn't going to work, I was probably going to find something. They have their own macaroni cheese bread for 34 cents. I'm like, oh, I could have gotten that. But this considered is a pasta thing, so I got a 10-cent rebate for that. So this is 3 rebates right here for Ibotta if you guys choose to do that deal. I ended up getting the baby oatmeal cereal. These were $2.56. I used a $1 off printable coupon. You would pay $1.56 for this, but then there's that $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 56 cents. Now, if you don't have that printable coupon, you could always use the coupons.com app to get that coupon. So yes, I ended up doing the soft soap. These were 98 cents each. You'd buy 2 of them, you'd pay $1.96. There is a 75 cent off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making these $1.21 or just 60 cents each, depending on if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Stuff is falling out of my little thing that I shove everything in. I just emptied it not that long ago and it's already like overflowing, but I think it's because I put a box in there. I got the Bic Crystal pens. These were $1.88. You'd pay $1.88 for these, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these just 88 cents. So if you guys need some pens, definitely go ahead and do that. So I ended up getting, I got one item in here, yes. I ended up getting the Butterfinger. These were 98 cents. You'd pay 98 cents for this, but then you were going to get a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these 73 cents. Now, I was originally going to go back and get the Morningstar, the deal that I did last week, but somebody took every single Peely coupon off every single product. It was crazy. I don't know if somebody intentionally did that or if it was a Walmart worker or not, but they were all gone. When I was there last week, I saw at least 100, and it's just like, oh, that's why I don't do Peely coupons, because if I see them, I just get them as the product gets there, but it's just crazy. So I ended up getting this Rowdy energy drink. These were $1.98. You'd pay $1.98 for this, but you get a $1 rebate with Ibotta. There is a bonus with this. I think if you buy 2, you get a $1 bonus, but I only bought the 1. I didn't know there was a bonus for it. So next week when I probably do this deal again, I'll get that $1 bonus. But if you guys want to go ahead and get that for 98 cents. Now here we got the Killcliff drinks. These were $2.48. You'd pay $2.48 for it. But there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. So you'll end up getting these for like 98 cents. But there's actually a rebate that you guys can text to. I will put the link below, but it is a thing where it says up to 5 per receipt. So I bought 5 of these. They're in the other bag. So these each come out to be a 2-cent moneymaker. So I bought 5. And then they send it either to Venmo or PayPal. It says it takes up to 96 hours, I think is what it said it takes. So I just did that, you know, take full advantage of this deal. So let me find my 4th one. So yeah, so I got 5 of them. The 5 of them. So got those for a 2-cent moneymaker. The next deal I got is the Old Man's Gentleman's Blend shampoo and conditioner. These were what was it, $7.97. I used a $3 off P&G coupon. You would pay $4.97 for this, but then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, and then I had a 10-cent any rebate for hair shampoo. So without the 10 cent, it comes out to be $1.97, which is an okay deal. I know my husband will probably want to try this. I did not see that it said tea and ginger. Ugh, not a big fan of either of those. But yeah, so I got those for him. So that has a, that one right there is a two rebates. I ended up getting the Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. These were $4.84. You want to use a $2 off a printable coupon, or there is a $2 off coupons.com coupon that you can submit. But you'd pay $2.84 for this. You submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this 84 cents. But then I had a 10-cent any facial cleanser or facial thing, so I got an additional 2 rebates for this one, so I got that one. And then I also got the ranch dressing. Now, I was intentionally going to get the individual packets for $1.27, but that was you only get a 25-cent rebate. This on my store, on the shelf, showed it was $4.14 or something. What was it? $4.14. But when I scanned it, I noticed that it rang up 7 something. So I get the cashier, I says, hey, this is ringing up the wrong price. And she instantly starts getting argumentative with me. I wasn't even arguing. She instantly starts getting mad at me. She's like, that's not right. That's not right. You know, that's the wrong price. You know, and I'm just like, whatever. Well, I take a picture to share with you guys, like, the product with the coupon that I use for my video. So I showed it to her. She's like, that's not right. I says, well, there's a bunch of them on the shelf, and I didn't see anything that said $7.24 or whatever. So she gets super pissed off at me. She's like, I don't even know. I says, well, you technically have to give it to me for that price. I can understand if it's like just one on the shelf. That could be a misplaced item, but this was completely stocked in that spot. And by law in my state, they have to honor it for the price that it's marked as. And, you know, she's like, well, I got to make sure I can get this approved. That's just, no, you can't, no. And I'm just like, I'm not arguing. I'm just standing there. And I'm just like, if you're not going to do it, then I will just call a manager. You don't have to be all pissy with me. So then she goes and finds somebody. I can't find anybody to help me. And I'm just like, okay. You know, and then she overrides it for me. And then she's like, she takes the product from me. And she's like, I have to go change the price for that shelf right now because that's just ridiculous. And I'm just like, I don't care. All I ask for you to do is just override it. It's not my fault that it was marked wrong or something. I have no idea. That's all I asked for. But anyways, my store overruled this for $4.14. I had a $1 off printable coupon. My coupon did beep, but they did override it. So I paid $3.14 for this. But you get a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta thing. I think it was 50 cents. I can't remember. But it ends up becoming $2.64. Now this is 8 ounces, so I thought that's the reason why I did it this way, because each packet's like 1 ounce and it's $1.27. So right there, if you get 8 of them, that's like 10-ish bucks or something like that. And if I can get this for half the price, I will go ahead and do that. So I ended up doing it this way. But she just had such a bad attitude, and I was not even mean. I worked retail for 16 years, 20 years, of my life. I know exactly how it is, but she just right off the bat had something against me. But anyways, I found this in the garden center. This was the Back to Roots, and I got the all-purpose potting soil. This was $5.98. I'd pay $5.98 for it. But then there's a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $2.98. So I thought I'll just get this. I'll probably get it to my father-in-law, so if he wants to do some planting with his grandkids, he can go ahead and do that. I'm not a plant person. So yes, so then this is the last deal that I got. I had to do this in a separate transaction because my liquor store is not where all the other liquor is, or not on the shelf. They have their own little liquor area. So this bottle, I don't know how many ounces this is. It is a 750 milliliter bottle. This was $14.98 for this bottle of Sky Vodka. I've been always wanting to do this deal, but I just have my daughter with me, and usually by the time I get to the checkouts, I just want to get out of the store. But you'd pay $14.98 for it. But when I submitted my receipt on SHOPKICK, it showed that I would get 2,800 points. But when I submitted it, it actually popped up as 3,000 points. And then I get 40 points for scanning it. So I actually got 3,040 points for this, which is $12.16 just from SHOPKICK alone. This bottle comes out to be $2.82, and I took full advantage of it. My husband's like, sweet. I'm like, I think that's a pretty... Yeah. I'm like, that's a pretty decent deal. So I ended up getting this for $2.82. Some of you guys might have a rebate for it with Ibotta. I do not. So that's why I didn't get it. But that was my haul. That was everything that I got. My total came to $44.55. I received $21.80 back with Ibotta. With checkout 51, I will be receiving $1 back. With SHOPKICK, I received 3,040 points, which is $12.16. With the KRAFT deal, I will be getting $5 back with my PayPal. I did get the weekend warrior, and I was correct. It's usually 15 rebates for $5. So I got exactly 15 rebates with everything that I got. So I finished the weekend warrior, and then I also had a bonus for the NEUTROGENA because I did a deal at CVS the other day, so I just needed to make another NEUTROGENA purchase, so I got a $1 bonus with that. So my grand total came to be a $1.41 moneymaker. I got everything for free, and I am pretty happy with that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys all next week for hopefully another great Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.